Cellular respiration, a photosynthesis. Get glucose in the cytoplasm, that's why glycolysis happens. Make 2 ATP into pruvic acid. If there's O2, we transport it to the matrix. This is in the mitochondria to start the citric acid cycle. We take 1 pruvic acid, make it into CO2. The other turn it into acetyl-CoA. We even make some NADH and FADH2.
Don't forget 2 more CO2 and it ends up making 2 ATP. Now let's keep it going to the ETC. Gotta bring it down to the Christie. This is where it makes almost all the ATP. This amount of ATP is 36. Unless it's anaerobic with no oxygen, then there's only 2 ATP. And if you're an animal,
you'll create some lactic acid. But if you're a plant, you go through fermentation. But none of this happened with oxygen. Because with oxygen, you go through the normal processes. Now let's bring it back to photosynthesis. Take some water, CO2, and some sunlight. Bring it to the grana and thylakoids.
That's where the light reaction occurs. Then it goes into the stroma to make some glucose and more oxygen. All this happens in the chloroplast. Those are the 2 processes that involve energy, and if you take those reactants, don't forget the products. You can just switch both up and get the same formula.